These must have clicked at the right time, yeah? Or is this the magic of Photoshop? You must also be wondering like us, right? It looks like magic, but it isn't really. This is called levitation photography. It may seem hard to shoot surreal, levitating images. So how can you levitate an object? Levitation images are magical, but exactly, maybe you would like to know that how this exactly happens. How would someone film them? So let us know how you can do levitation photographies. Well, yes, it is quite easy doing so, but still it takes some time. And when it comes to shooting the floating objects, then you have two options. One, you can take thousands of clicks for a single photography, or you can use Photoshop. But yes, a basic Photoshop skill is required to edit these kinds of photos, and the good news is there is a free Photoshop course is available for you from where you can brush up your Photoshop editing skills, and the link is available in the description box of this video. So in this video we are going to share with you how to shoot an object and edit in Photoshop. So first you have to choose your object that you wanted to use for levitation. Then you need a thread that matches to your background and a tape. Now as you see that we attached the object to the thread using a tape, and now you just have to take a perfect pose. Now it's time to edit those in Photoshop. Now that you know the concept, let your creativity go wild and try to come up with some dazzling shots and impress your clients. So hit the like button if you like this information and the video, and share this video with everyone. With this, smash the subscribe button and tap to the bell icon to not miss the very next upload. So we'll meet you in the next video with some more amazing tips and tricks. This is Divya from Tegonity Studio. See you soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye.